Cheese as a garnish, a delicious twist to your dishes. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning through everyday phrases and expressions. Today, we're exploring a tasty topic: cheese as a garnish. Whether you're a food enthusiast or just looking to expand your English vocabulary, this video is for you. Let's unravel the meaning behind this phrase and discover how it can add flavor not only to your meals but also to your conversations. Before we dive into cheese, let's first understand what a garnish is. A garnish refers to an item or substance used as a decoration or embellishment accompanying a prepared food dish or drink. In simpler terms, it's what you add to your dish to make it look more appealing and sometimes add a bit of flavor. Garnishes can range from herbs and spices to fruits and, of course, cheese. Understanding garnishes is key to grasping our main topic today. Now, let's talk about cheese. Cheese is a versatile dairy product that comes in numerous varieties, each with its unique flavor, texture, and aroma. It can be used in cooking as a main ingredient, for enhancing flavor, or as a garnish. When cheese is used as a garnish, it's typically added to the top of a dish to complement its flavors and add a visual appeal. Think of a sprinkle of Parmesan over pasta or crumbled feta on a salad. The idea is to enhance, not overpower, the dish's original flavors. So, why specifically focus on cheese as a garnish? This phrase highlights the importance of cheese in culinary arts and how it can transform a simple dish into something extraordinary. It's not just about adding cheese. It's about choosing the right type of cheese to complement the dish's flavors and presentation. This concept is a great example of how language and culture intersect in the realm of culinary arts, making it an interesting topic for English language learners and food lovers alike. We hope you found this exploration of cheese as a garnish both informative and appetizing. Remember, learning English or any language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about understanding the cultural nuances that make language so rich and vibrant. So, the next time you're in the kitchen or dining out, think about how cheese, as a simple garnish, can add depth to your dishes and your conversations. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more engaging content. Happy learning and happy eating!